can start. In our last class, we discussed a lot of things about GMB. That's Google My Business. We talked about a lot of things in Google My Business, and I believe we got something from it. I believe we were able to get something from it. So today we are okay. For people that we are not in our last class, how many people we are not in the last class? Okay, Immaculata was not in the last class. Wow. So basically, everybody here is new to the class. So how many of us were able to go back to the video we did and sent to YouTube? Okay. So I believe if you watched the video which was sent on YouTube, you should have gotten the basic knowledge of what we are trying to talk about today. Am I correct? If I'm correct, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay. So that's fine. That's amazing. So today we'll just refresh our course outline. We are talking about GMB listing, GMB verification method. We're able to talk about two methods. Okay. We talked about the verification by text, that's using your phone number. We also talked about verification by video, that is being able to do a video recording of your business, of your brand, so that you can get verified by Google. Then the next verification method we are also going to look at today is the verification by email. That you can only use that whereby you have a company email, something like info@yourcompanyname.com or contact@yourcompanyname.com, and that those kind of email comes when you buy a domain name. So that's how you can get those kind of email. When you buy an email plan that comes with your business name, you can get those kind of email. Using that method, you can also get your business optimized. So we also looked at, in our course outline, we also looked at Google Ads and optimization. We also looked at Google Analytics and keyword generation. Then we talked about Being My Business. I was able to briefly explain all these stuff in the previous class we had. So today we are going to be looking at how to create a business account. Okay, during our last class, I told us to create a business email account so that we can use it to verify our business. In our last class, we talked about reviews and the rest of them. So today we are looking at how to get started. Okay, let me quickly. Okay, so we are going to look at how to get our business verified on Google. How many of us are operating using a laptop? In our last class, we talked about you getting your laptop for this class. So how many of us were able to do that? Please give me a thumbs up if you were able to do that. Hello? Give me a thumbs up if you're able to do that. Please, guys, let's make this an interactive section. Please, it's going to help every one of us. If we are not making this an interactive section, I don't think we'll be able to achieve the purpose of this class. Okay? So my laptop is down, that's why I'm using the phone. Okay.
Okay, I don't have a laptop for that.
Okay. So Part of the reason why we are getting these courses, why we are getting these courses recorded is so that even when probably you are on your laptop or you get a laptop, you can easily practice and use it as a source of income to get businesses verified on Google for clients. So let's dive into the course properly. So we're looking at how to set up Google My Business. So that's what we are going to be looking at today. So I believe we already know how to create a Gmail account, which is the first step. The first step is to know how to create a Gmail account. Once you're able to create a Gmail account for your business Gmail account, then you have passed the first stage. So the next one is for us to, this class is going to be more of the practical class. So now I'm going to be opening Google My Business. Google My Business. So then I'll go with the first one, Google My Business Profile. So this is the point where I believe all of us should be now. So what you do is to click on sign in or you click on manage. Okay. So for the essence of this class, we're clicking on manage because we don't have any business here. So if you click on manage, okay. In our last class, we were able to create a Google account, but we didn't get it full verified because we didn't use any number for it. So that was why immediately I clicked on manage. It was able to pop me up on this. So I'm going to go ahead to delete this class. I'm going to delete this business so that we can create a new one. So remove business profile, remove everything. So I'm deleting everything entirely for this so that we can start from beginning. So I go ahead and click Google My Business Profile again and click on manage. So now we are here. Get your business discovered by Google search and map and more. So this point, you will be asked to put your business name. So our business name, I'm using my name. My name is Carlos Silva. And I'm using Carlos Silva test class. So this is what I'm using for my business. I'll click on continue. So this place now, I said you have to choose your business category. You have to choose your business category. When you choose your business category, then you can now choose which one best describes your business. Okay, so for this class, I'm choosing the online rentals. That's this one. I click on the first one. If your business is a local business, you can click on local business and get your business verified using local business. So how many of us are following? So far so good. Does anybody have any question? So that I want all of us to flow together in this class, step by step. We are taking it step by step. We are not jumping any step to get this verified. So the next thing we are going to do, we click on next. We click on next. You'll be asked to put a website. The reasons because we chose the first one, which is an online rector. We'll be asked to put a website. So for the purpose of this class, I'm going to use my website. I have a personal website, which is carlossilva.gwctechhub.org. Yes, gwctechhub.org. Please let me confirm that. Okay, it's .com, not .org. It's a .com. So this is my website. This is my personal website for personal branding. You can see it has my name, talks about me. So you can also get your personal website for yourself where you can project what you do, what your business is all about, and showcase to the world what you are capable of doing. So I'm a digital marketer by profession. I'm also a full stack web developer. So you can see my pricing for getting a basic plan for your businesses. So that's aside what we are doing. Let's go back to our slide. Okay, no, not our slide. Let's go back to the business that we are getting verified. So we change it down to .com, and I will click on next. So they will ask me business category. I will put web designer. I'm a web designer, so I'll put business category. On your own side, you can put what your business is all about and everything. So at this point, you'll be asked your street, like where your business is located and everything. So my country is Nigeria. We are using Nigeria. Then I'm going to use, let me use independence layout. Independence layout. Independence layout in Enugu, in Enugu South. City is Enugu. And this postal code, you can either put it or leave it. So state is Enugu as well. So after filling these information, you click on next. So when you are done clicking on next, Google will ask you, is any of these businesses listed out here yours? If there's any business here that probably resembles yours or your own, you can click on any of them to probably start managing them. But since my business is not here and none of this is mine, I'll click on none of this. And I'll go ahead and click on next. Okay. So a map will be listed out for you and you'll be asked to select the exact point. You'll be asked to select the exact point where your business is. So if this is the exact point, you can leave it, but if it's not, you click on adjust and move this thing. So it's movable now when you click on adjust. So after that, you can click on done, and that is it. You can position your business at the exact point where it is. So you click on next when you are done with that, and you'll be asked to input your phone number. So I'm going to input my phone number at 09093069072, which is my phone number, and I'll click on next. Okay, you'll be asked if you want to get messages on this thing. No, I don't want to get any message news tips about how to improve businesses. But for yours, you can either click it or you leave it. So I click on continue. I click on continue, then wait for it to load. Okay, now that I've been able to input my phone number, I believe we are seeing phone code where they said get a code via phone call or text on this number. That was because I inputted my number. If you are in the last class, you will notice that this was the only option. This business video was the only option we had in our last class when we did it. Reasons because there was no phone number there. But now that we have a mobile number, they're asking us to use mobile verification. So we are using mobile verification because it's the easiest and the fastest way to get your business verified. So you click on next, and okay, the text is disabled. So we are waiting for call. Okay, I'll click on next and we'll wait for Google to call us. So they said in 56 seconds, we are going to get a call from them. So while we are waiting for them to call us, I want to know, is there any question? Okay. Gospel, you can ask your question.
Okay, sir. Please, I want to ask. Although I was not in the last class and I've not really watched the video of the last class, but I will do that after this now. This this Google you are using, Google Business, is it like an app or something like that, or you can just click on Google then you start creating? I just want, or
Okay.
do we have an app for it?
Initially, we had an app for it. Till when the Google updated their privacy and policy, they brought down the app from Google Play Store. So now there is no app for it. You have to go to your browser. If you watched initially, what I typed was Google My Business. When I opened Google, let me quickly share my screen. Let me share the screen. When I came to Google, you can see my screen now, right? Thus, you can see my screen.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I came to search and I searched Google My Business. You search on Google My Business and you click on this. The first one is what you click on. You click on it and it brings you to this place, whether on your mobile or on your PC. So if you do it on your mobile, this is how it's going to look like. Let me quickly show you the mobile view of it. This is how it's going to look like on your mobile. Okay, you can see it,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is how it's going to look like on your mobile. So I have to put it on the mobile view, but this is my PC. So this is how it's going to look like. Go ahead and click manage. Once you click on manage, it brings you to where you can fill those information that will be filled initially. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Is there any other person that have question? So I think I'm finding it difficult. Our Google is rather Google is finding it difficult calling my business. Google is finding it difficult calling my. Okay, Immaculata, ask your question.
Good evening,
Immaculata,
sir.
yes, good evening.
Sir. So I previously wanted to ask a question, but while you were explaining for the other guy, I was able to get what I wanted to ask.
Okay, okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay. Blessing, please go ahead, ask your question.
Okay. Okay. Good evening.
Good evening.
In the last class, you talked about opening a business email.
Okay,
Yeah, I was trying to open the business email, and then I got to a point where I was told to input my domain. So I didn't really understand what that was. I don't know if I was on the right track or if I navigated to a wrong path.
okay, you actually went to the wrong direction on that. Okay, for the essence of people that will face this challenge now, I know most of us are going to face this challenge if you are trying to open a Google business account. We are quickly going to do that now. We are quickly going to do that. So let me go to Google. Let me go to, let me share my screen. You can see my screen now. So I will search Gmail because it's a Gmail account that we want to open. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll click on the first link, which is this. Click on the first link. Okay, I already have a Gmail logged in here. But if I click on this point now, if I click on this point now, I will have to, you will see the option of create account. Okay, I click on add a new account. I'll click on add a new account. Then you can see create an account. If I click on this create an account now, you will see three options here. You will see for personal use, which is for your own personal use. If you are creating an account with your name, it's a personal account for your personal use. If you are creating an account for your child, it's for your child. For example, now when I wanted to open an account for my daughter, I was asked to provide a Gmail account, which I had to create a Google for Kids account for her. For that purpose, I used for my kid. That's for my child. So for the essence of this program, we are using for my business, for work or for my business. If you click on this option now, if you click on this option, you will see this if you are using your mobile. This is for Google Workspace, which we are not using. I believe this was the one you clicked. Mrs. Blessing. That was why you were asked to provide your Gmail, your domain name. This is it, where they indicated it. You at yourcompany.com. This is not what we are using. we are using this. Continue to Gmail, which is at Gmail. This is at your business domain. This one is at Gmail. Okay, are we following Miss Blessing?
Yes, I'm following.
Okay, we'll click on this continue with Gmail. When we click on continue with Gmail, it will bring us at this point. So I will create a Gmail account. Let me quickly create a Gmail account. GWC Tech School. Quickly create GWC Tech School. We'll be asked to put a date of birth. So you have to put a date of birth. Have to put a date of birth. Then male, female. For the essence of business, use customized. You'll be asked gender. You can put agency or company. Then what do you prefer your business to be known as? Is it a male or female? You can choose either male or female. Then you click on next. So when you click on next, they will now ask you to choose your Gmail, how you want it to look like. We have school, GWC Tech. We have GWC Tech School. So I'll click on this second one, which is GWC Tech School, and I'll click on next. So you ask to input a password. I'll quickly input a password. Quickly input a password, and I'll click on next. Then you also ask to input a phone number. I'll go ahead and input my phone number, and I'll click on next. So a code will be arrived. So 037 to 10. So this is the code I got. I quickly input the code, and it will ask me to either put a recovery email. So I'll go ahead and put a recovery email just in case I forget this account password or something of that nature, where you can quickly use to recover it. So you can, on this purpose, you can probably use your personal Gmail account as your recovery email, just as I did here now. So I click on next. I also click on next. Yes, I am in, and I click on next. So you can read this thing, but it's of no use. You can read it, then click on agree. So I already agreed on everything they said there. Whether I know it or not, I don't even know what they said there. And I don't have strength to start reading it. Now, your business account is ready. Now, set up your business. So, if I want to start setting up my business now, I can click on continue, or I click on not now. So, if I click on continue, it will take me to that Google My Business platform. Did you see what just happened now? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. I'm following.
So, are we good now? Did we get up to that point?
Yes, sir.
So I believe we
Yes,
all know
I
how
did.
to create a Google business account now. So we have not gotten an email for us to be able to verify that business. I don't know why Google is delaying their village people. So, but I think we will have to do what I know how to do best. Click on change option and click on more option and do verify later. So you can click on verify later, then continue to fill out other informations about the business. Then when you are done with that, you can get your business verified. Okay? Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are asked now to add our services. I'll quickly add up my services. I do application, mobile development, and the rest. I click on next. Then they will ask you to input your business hours. For the purpose of this class, I'm using 24 hours. I'm working 24 hours, 7 days, because my business is remote. So I'm working to, if your business have working hours like 9 to 5, all those kind of things, you can now put it. So I'll be asked, do I want to accept messages? Yes, I want to accept messages. I can click on accept messages and next. Then you'll be asked to input a business description about and a quick. Sorry about that network glitch. I'm so sorry about the network glitch. My network went off. So let's continue with what we are saying. Okay, Mrs. Blessing, you want to say something? Your hand is up. Go ahead and say something. Your hand is up, Mrs. Blessing. Hello? Okay. You can say something when you are back. I think probably you're having a network challenge. So now, this is the point it will bring you to. So they said here your business will be visible to customers when you are verified. So because we are unable to get a code at that point, that was why we didn't get verified. But if most times it's from the network providers, so Google will try calling you, but if your network provider is probably down at that moment, you probably not get a call or a text. So in our subsequent classes, in our class for next week, I will show you how to get using business video or other methods and email verification using your domain and the rest of them. So you can come here and click on edit profile if you want to make any changes to your business. You can see here all those things we did, like your description. You can come here and add that description now if you decide to add it now. You can come here and add when your business was registered, when you opened it, that's the opening date, when you opened your business. You can now add your website here. You can add your social media profile, the links to your social media, like your Facebook, your Instagram, all the rest of them. You can put it here. Okay. Then you can either select special hour. If you have any special hour whereby you attend to your clients specially, you can add special hour here. If you have any other time frame you work with, like access hour, breakfast, brunch, delivery, dinner time, all those kind of things, you can add it here. Online operational hours, you can click on it and you add the timing. Then here you said from the business, if I click on it, they will ask you, is this business identified as a woman owned? You can either click yes or no. If your business is owned by a woman, you click on yes. If it's owned by a man, you click on no. So just click on yes and save. Then you come to accessibility. You ask some question. Does your business location have wheelchair seating? My own does not have. They said, does your business have wheelchair accessible toilet? It doesn't have. So you click on save. Then you come to amenities, gender natural toilet. You ask gender natural toilet. You click on yes, it does has. So you click on save. Okay. Then you click on planning. Does people need to come to you book an appointment before they can come to your office? If there is something of that nature, you click on yes. If there is not, you click on no. So mine, you have to book an appointment before you come and see me. So yes, people book an appointment. Then they ask you service options. You click on offer online appointments. Yes. On-site services available. Yes. Then you click on save. If your own does not have, you click on no. So after you are done, you can now go back. So we have been able to fill up those information, although not all of them. With time, we can be filling up. It's not something you do immediately and you complete it immediately. It's something you follow up step by step and you get it done. Okay, Mrs. Blessing, ask your question. Your hand is raised, Mrs. Blessing.
Oh,
Ask.
I'm sorry. No, no, no. You have already answered my question.
Okay, please take down the hand so that I know. So far so good. Are we following?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, we are.
Okay. So in the next uh, in the next couple of minutes, we are going to do an exercise. We're going to do an exercise now. Okay, I think that exercise now is going to be like a class work, not a homework. We have to submit it before 7 o'clock, or let me give till 8 o'clock. Okay, we have to submit it before 8 o'clock. Create a business account for people that have not created. Use it to verify your business. Do a screenshot of it and send it to the group. Do a screenshot of it, whether your phone or your PC, and send it to the group from now till 7:30, not even 8 o'clock. From now till 7:30. So while we are going to be doing that, I will send a link for the attendance. Remember, we said attendance is compulsory. If you want to get, okay, Mrs. Immaculata, go ahead and ask your question.
So, sir, I was able to, after going through the last class on YouTube, I was able to create a business Gmail. And right now, while you were teaching, I was following up because I was able to put on my system. I was following up, and I'm already in the place where they said business description. And now that you've given us assignment, I don't know if I should still go back and go and take a picture of, or should I snap where I am now and send it?
Okay, just complete it because it's almost the same question. So complete it and use it as your own assignment. So I've sent the
Okay, sir.
link to the group, to the comment section. So in the next 10 minutes, let's sign our attendance. This class is going to be short. Reasons because it's weekend and I want us to enjoy our weekend and also do these assignments. So you can use phone number verification for now, but if you are not getting a phone number verification, just do verify later, just as I did. Do verify later, just as I did, and I will show you how to maneuver it and still get your business verified. Okay? Okay, Gospel, you have your hand raised.
Yes, sir. Okay, you said